we're going to turn left at the stop sign.
Okay.
Driving in areas like this here with a lot of congestion and one-ways and everything else, it really, really helps with your overall driving. We're going to go straight at the stop sign. And then a right turn at the lights. Ooh, crossing against the light, right? Some of them don't pay attention, or they just don't care, or whatever. And then we're going to keep going straight. We're going up that hill there, the big hill. I was hoping there'd be some pedestrians using the crosswalk.
Do you have to stop until they are completely?
Just to the median.
Okay.
Yeah, if they're going from this side to that side, you wait until they get to the concrete median,
Okay.
and then you can go, even if the lights are still flashing,
Okay.
as long as nobody's in this side of the road.
Okay. Am I getting dropped off at school or at my house?
Oh,
No?
do you
Does
want
it matter?
home? No.
Can I go home?
Yep, absolutely.
I should know if it said
Yep,
my school.
for sure.
Okay.
And at the lights, bottom of the hill, we're going to turn right.